This is the second story video for 4007 Rainflower, and as you can tell, we are on the loft on the second floor, and the loft is actually quite large with views of the park that we back up to. It's quite nice out there, and this is freshly remodeled, paint, carpet cleaned. The bedrooms are actually very good size. They all have ceiling fans, of course. Everything has just been repainted, all the enameled woodwork. The bathroom is quite nice. In the hallway you have nice cabinets for linen. Master is vaulted, of course, with its own ceiling fan and huge walk-in closet. And you have a nice big window for ventilation. Nice soaking tub, double basin vanities, maple cabinets, and a very nice shower area where you can actually sit down and wash yourself with a handheld. It's actually quite nice. That's it for the second story.